Managing field operations and struggling to keep track of tasks across multiple sites? What if every assignment, field team, and progress update was visible on one live map in real time? With MAPOG, you can assign tasks and track field progress with ease. Start by heading to story.mapog.com. Navigate to Operations and Planning. Go to Locations and click Add and select New Location Type to store and reuse custom attributes. Click plus New Type. Add a title, choose a color, and set the geometry as a point. Define attributes like client name or status, using select or multi-select fields. Enable contributors so contributors can update data from their side. Then click Create Type to save it. Next, click Upload to import your spreadsheet with asset details. Select your custom location template, browse your Excel file, and upload it. Define location fields, assign an auto-generated unique ID to avoid duplicates, then map each attribute to the correct column and match the latitude and longitude fields and submit. Your locations will be auto-plotted on the map. To update details, search for location and click on it, then click Edit. Add images, update information, and save changes. Now, go to Tasks and Task Type Setup and select your location template. Go to Default Completion Form and select per task type to create completion forms for all task types. Create forms and add questions with responses such as text, select, multi-select, image fields to verify what. To create new task types, press Add Task Types, give title and save, and make completion form for that too. Now, in Locations, select your location and click Add Task to assign work. Select a task type, enter the title and description, set due date, deal value, status, and priority. To assign team members, click Add New, enter their email, assign a role, and select them for the task. Then click Create Task. Assigned users can access these tasks in the MAPOG Contributor App. They can view and filter tasks, update statuses like started or on hold, and mark tasks as completed by submitting the completion form with images. In the Task Management section, you can filter tasks by location or type, review submitted tasks, update their status, and add comments and submit the review. Next, in Dashboard, go to Create and Publish Maps and click Create New Map to view all your assets in one place. Choose with Template, the category template, add a title and description, and create your map. Then go to Map Settings to upload your company logo and save. Now, click Add Location and add via library to add your uploaded locations on the map. Navigate your custom location template from drop-down and click on it. Further, select all locations and click Add Business Locations. To organize your data, use Group by Attributes to cluster locations. For example, by area type, apply filters to view specific locations, and use Sort by to arrange locations based on distance or proximity. You can further customize your map by going to Add Layer Style. Select Category Styling and assign different colors or icons based on your chosen attributes and save style. Finally, go to Preview and Share to set your map as public or private. Share it using a link, embed it, or invite team members as collaborators. With MAPOG, assign each task to field teams with ease, visualize every move, and make faster, smarter decisions. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.